Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. So I ordered these LEDs from the Emax website, I think maybe 2 years ago. And for the longest, I've been using these LEDs to create ground effects on all my ground RCs. I put red ground effects on my Typhon. I put green ground effects on my Traxxas X-Max. And I even put blue ground effects on this Mecanum Wheel RC I got. But now I decided to put these LEDs to use on what they were made for. And that's adding LEDs to the Emax TinyHawk. And so I got my custom framed Emax TinyHawk right here. Let's get it. These LEDs actually come in 3 flavors. So we have blue here, we have red, and we have green. Now I know this is probably going to bother some of you guys out there, some of you guys who are just it's your pet peeve to have red in the front and green in the rear and stuff like that. But I think it's been proven that when doing FPV, you don't want blue or green LEDs in front of the camera because that bothers the image of the camera. And so we're going to go with red in the front this time, guys, and green in the rear, because I figure it's already blue, so adding green here is probably just going to end up blue anyhow, and I'll save my actual blue LEDs for future mods and Chopshops. Now I bought a bunch of these LED strips, and they come pretty long. These things are really long, and also they come with these long ends to them, these long power leads. I think these are way too long to be used on the Emax TinyHawk. But I think they just gave us some extra slack just in case we needed to do something else with these LEDs. So we're going to remove these. And also these LEDs can be cut anywhere at almost any length. But we have to be careful to make sure that we cut right in between these points right here. These are all solder points, these little copper pads there, they're all solder points, and there are also points where this wire can be cut, and the LEDs will still work if you cut them there. I measured them to fit, and we're going to cut these down to size. So we're just going to cut right in there like that, y'all. This little soldering helping kit I found on Amazon. I'll have a link in description for this if you guys are interested in this. It does not come with the 2 long red magnetic pieces. These actually came from my kids' science project for school. They get sent a bunch of stuff from homeschooling, so sometimes I use the little magnets and stuff like that. So the way I wanted the lights on this thing, I wanted the LED colors in the front to be different from the LED colors in the back. So I had to cut and solder these things together and map it all out. So keep in mind, these LEDs on this drone only benefits if you're going to be flying this thing line of sight. If you guys are familiar with me and the channel, you guys know that I love to do line of sight with these things. This ain't Frequent Flyers RC Chop Shop, so respectfully, I'm going to fast forward through all the chopping and the shopping. Also, if you didn't catch it already in the beginning part of the video, make sure you don't have the green lights in the front. If you're going to have the camera facing down and have the prop view in camera a little bit, because green and blue lights don't play well with FPV cameras, y'all. It's going to blur up the image and mess up the image and wash it out with green or blue light. Put the red in the front, y'all. Gotta get over it. We're not driving the car or looking at stoplights here, fellas. I decided to use hot glue because that's the fastest way, the easiest way. And if I decided that I don't want these LEDs on here anymore, I can easily just pull them off. If y'all would like to see more Chop Shop videos like this, show me y'all interested, smash the like button, and I'll have a link in the description to my Chop Shop channel. You can go over there, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll have more videos over there if I have a whole lot of likes and more subscribers off this video right here. Thanks for watching.